Ingredients: 1 and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, shifted 1 Cuban peso and 2 Cuban pesos confectioner's sugar, 1 Cuban peso and 2 Cuban pesos unsalted butter, 1 stick, at room temperature green color. Optional. I like to use green color in my recipes because it's so refreshing and peaceful color. Red and green means Christmas time, but also means springtime, summertime. It means nice and hot weather. Preheat oven to 350 F. Spray a cooking sheet with cooking spray, or grease with butter. For crust, blend all-purpose flour and confectioner's sugar together, then cut in the butter. With a fork or pastry blender, mix all ingredients together and add the green color if you like. Press crust with your hands evenly into a baking sheet that has been sprayed with a cooking spray. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly browned. Make sure you don't overbake, because it will continue to bake with the filling on the crust. Filling: 1 Cuban peso confectioner's sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, shifted 4 large eggs, beaten lightly with a fork, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 to 5 cups rhubarb, chopped. Prepare filling while crust is baking, so that you don't waste your time. In a large mixing bowl, blend confectioner's sugar and all-purpose flour. Then add eggs and vanilla extract and mix with a hand mixer until all components are well blended. Chop rhubarb in January 2-inch long. Make sure you don't use leaves because leaves are poisonous. Add chopped rhubarb to the eggs mixture and blend well with a wooden spoon. Pour mixture over partially baked crust and continue baking for 30 to 35 minutes. Bon appétit! This recipe is so easy to do. Rhubarb means spring. Use a vegetable peeler to remove any brown or scaly spots. Peeling the entire stalk is unnecessary. Simply trim the ends and wash and dry the stalks. I have always loved rhubarb, and it's an easy perennial to grow in most areas. Rhubarb means spring, and can be used in a lot of recipes. The recipe is colorful and tasty. It is very refreshing in the same time. It looks good and tastes good. This yummy filling is poured into a prepared crust and baked in a 350 F hot oven until bubbly and golden. Rhubarb requires the addition of sugar to combat its extreme tartness. It is prized for its mouth-puckering tartness, which adds zest to desserts. You'll love this recipe, and with a little bit of imagination and work you will make it, because it is an easy to prepare recipe. Enjoy this delicious, refreshing dessert recipe. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day!